How to clear Safari cache on iPhone. First is by opening your settings and then go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and wait for it to load. So this will take a lot of time depending on the iPhone that you have, or also depending on the storage you you have. So you should just simply wait for it, and then once it is loading, done loading, then you may go to Safari. So let's go for Safari right here. If you cannot see it, then you may search Safari right here, and then click on website data right here, and then wait for it to load. And you may click on remove all website data right here on the bottommost part. Also, you may go to offline reading list right here, and then you may also delete it. As well as on history, you may click on that one, or extensions right here. Click on edit found on the upper right corner, and then delete the extensions that you have. So that's it. That's how you can clear Safari cache on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.